After dedicating 3 months to testing 8 different chicken waterers across various weather conditions and flock sizes, I've identified the 5 systems that truly excel at keeping chickens hydrated. Our rigorous testing process, which includes monitoring water cleanliness, freeze resistance, and ease of refilling, has revealed which waterers are genuinely worth your investment. Each option has unique features that could be perfect for your specific coop setup, so be sure to check out the full list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. The Egloos Chick Feeder and Waterer Kit addresses a common concern in poultry care, keeping food and water clean and accessible. Its top-fill design sets it apart from feeders like the Cluckmate feeder, enabling fast refills without complicated disassembly. A key benefit is its 3-leg adjustable height system. This adaptable design grows with your chicks. Simply extend the legs as they get bigger, turning one unit into a multi-stage solution. Unlike fixed-height models, this anti-tip construction helps keep the coop floor dry, which supports your flock's well-being. Made from durable plastic, this unit holds up to regular use and offers ample capacity, 1.5 liters for water and 1.5 kilograms for feed, suitable for modest-sized flocks. The integrated steel handle adds to its utility, allowing placement on the ground or overhead mounting to fit your coop's layout, like the Coop-Ease model, but with increased durability. A useful feature is the transparent walls, which make monitoring water and feed levels easy and intuitive. This clear view removes any doubt about when to refill, an advantage over the opaque designs of some competitors. The included food scoop shows the manufacturer's attention to daily chicken keeping needs. While the plastic construction is reliable, some keepers might prefer metal for longer life, as found in the FeatherGuard series. The moderate capacity, requiring more frequent refills for larger flocks, can improve hygiene by encouraging regular water and feed changes. This waterer is especially useful because of its adjustability. The adjustable height feature is very helpful during those critical early weeks, greatly reducing contamination and waste. This versatility is especially helpful for those raising young chicks through different growth stages, providing more flexibility than standard fixed-height options. If you're looking for a waterer that adapts as your flock grows, this solution offers excellent functionality. It's especially useful for chicken keepers who value cleanliness and efficient coop management. The combination of adaptability and practical design makes it a good choice for poultry enthusiasts. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 4. Lil Clucker Automatic Chicken Waterer Cups provide an effective solution to a common issue in poultry care, ensuring birds have a steady supply of clean water. These sturdy cups with a 3-inch diameter are suitable for chickens, ducks, and even smaller animals like rabbits, offering a versatile hydration option. The key advantage of these waterers is their smart self-refilling system. Unlike traditional water bowls that need constant attention, these cups automatically maintain the right water level, reducing the need for frequent checks. This feature is especially beneficial compared to fixed-capacity models, which demand more regular refills. The cups are designed with ample space for ducks to fully submerge their bills, while also incorporating features to prevent spills and keep the water clean. Installation is straightforward. Drill a 3/8-inch hole in your container, and the system is ready to go. The package includes 5 cups, ensuring comprehensive coverage for your flock. Although drilling might seem daunting at first, the ease of setup and the benefits it brings far outweigh this minor task. This innovative system transforms daily poultry care by eliminating the need for constant refills and reducing water contamination. It is particularly advantageous for busy flock owners who can't frequently monitor water levels, offering a more hands-off approach. Combining durability with practical functionality, these waterers are a must-have for serious poultry enthusiasts. They provide reliable water management while improving flock health and caretaker convenience. For those in search of a dependable watering solution that boosts both animal care and operational efficiency, these waterers are worth considering. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 3. The Lanart Automatic Chicken Waterer Cups offer an effective solution for poultry keepers by providing clean drinking water for their flocks. This 12-pack system features an intelligent self-filling mechanism that keeps water levels consistent. Constructed from durable composite materials, these cups are designed to withstand the daily wear and tear from pecking and scratching, providing durability like the Lil Clucker Automatic Chicken Waterer Cups. The automatic water regulation gives your birds uninterrupted access to fresh water, reducing the need for constant monitoring compared to traditional water bowls. Installation is easy thanks to the included 3-to-8 drill bit. The system integrates easily with existing setups and requires minimal intervention once in place. These cups work with different water sources, from simple buckets to larger reservoirs, much like the Egloos Chick Feeder and Waterer Kit. The design uses gravity, so the water source must be positioned above the cups. While the setup is generally simple, ensuring precise alignment is important to prevent leaks and ensure good performance. Similar to the straightforward installation of the Lil Clucker system, these cups are better at keeping water clean. Compared to open containers which often gather debris. The demand-based dispensing system effectively minimizes contamination, offering a cleaner alternative to some fixed-capacity models. Their design works for different poultry, from chickens to turkeys, with dimensions that are safe for both adult birds and chicks. The automated filling feature helps with daily flock management by freeing you to focus on other things previously spent on manual water replenishment. For backyard enthusiasts and small-scale farmers, these waterers provide good hydration and simpler daily tasks, akin to the Egloo's Kit's top fill design. Really, this watering solution is reliable and requires low maintenance. For poultry keepers wanting a more efficient watering system and well-hydrated flock, these cups present a good option. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Typhlev Chick Feeder and Waterer Kit is adaptable, meeting the changing needs of your chicks. With a 3.3-pound feed capacity and a 0.4-gallon water reservoir, it reliably supports your growing flock. An important aspect is its adjustable height system, important as your chicks grow, like the Egloo's Kit's design. The base is stable, reducing feed waste and keeping the brooder tidy. Useful when young chicks are active. Both components can be suspended to keep feed and water clean, protecting them from debris, like the Lanarp automatic chicken waterer cups. The kit's design has a feed lip that controls portion size, and a top-loading mechanism makes refills easy. The modular design allows for easy disassembly, simplifying, cleaning, like the Lil Clucker system. Really, while the high-grade plastic is durable, metal might be preferred for longer use, like with the FeatherGuard series. Also, the capacity works for small flocks, but may need multiple units for larger ones, like the Egloo's Kit's capacity. The adjustable height feature means you don't need multiple feeding systems as your chicks grow. Really, cleanliness and stability are helpful for poultry keepers wanting efficient flock management. If you want a versatile feeding solution that combines adaptability with practical design, this system has advantages to consider. Seriously, product details are available through the link in the description. Number 1. The Egloo's Automatic Chicken Feeder and Waterer Kit helps ensure chicks have consistent access to water and food, reducing the need for constant supervision. A key benefit is its anti-tipping design, which prevents spills and keeps the area clean. The waterer is designed to adapt, offering 3 adjustable height settings for growing chicks, which helps keep the water cleaner and reduces how often you need to clean it. The feeder's openings balance access and conservation, significantly reducing feed waste compared to traditional designs. Made from lightweight but durable plastic, the unit is useful every day. Its simple design requires just a flip, fill, and secure motion, and the transparent construction makes it easy to see feed and water levels, so you know when to refill. This is an improvement over some competitors' opaque designs. The plastic components are useful, but they may not last as long as metal ones in tough conditions. Also, the system's capacity may need to be increased as chicks grow into adult birds. This integrated feeding solution provides good nutrition and hydration with little supervision, which is very helpful during the critical early development stages. This kit offers essential functionality for successful chick development, whether you're a new poultry keeper or upgrading your brooder equipment. Think about this system if you want reliable, low-maintenance chick care. Product details are available through the link in the description.